Hi Virgo, this is your quick oracle reading. Tingnan natin sinong celestial deity mo. So we have is si Persephone. So you know what? Persephone is both the goddess of the spring and also of siya yung queen of the underworld. Ito pinapasa Virgo that even your dark side, may ibig sabihin yan, may purpose yan. Sinasabi na love and light, no, it's not always love and light. You need to embrace both the light and your darkness. Kasi kung wala yung dark side mo, wala yung shadow side mo, hindi ka makukompleto. And in that darkness, as sinasabi nila, that negative side is actually a room full of opportunities. Doon ka mag-grow. Ano yung mga bagay na pwede mong tignan sa iyong dark side na pwede mong gawing improvement. It's time that you turn your weakness into your strength. It's time to rise up from the ashes and be a phoenix. I hope nakatulong, and I'll see you on the next reading.